Hello and welcome to the highlights of this match number 14 of Bahria Town Champions Cup T20. Allied Bank Stallions taking on Nurpur Lions. Nurpur Lions won the toss and they decided to have a ball first.
Swing straight away. That's what he does. He swings it in the air. I mean, he's been doing it for a long time now. Good run, very good run. And another one. Not one, in fact, not two, not three, in fact, four of them.
This one is flicked on the leg side and the fine leg was up in the circle, and this will be another boundary. So a decent start for the Allied Bank Stallions. On this occasion, Amir just staying in line.
What a shot! What a shot that is! All the way for a six. That's Shamir Hussain for you.
As this one has been hit over covers into the gap, a certain boundary for Mars. This is a good stroke.
पुल करने के लिए गए, यहाँ पर विकेट का इम्कान है और ये मिल गई विकेट। तीसरी चौथी कोशिश में आमिर यामीन के हाथ लग गई ये गेंद।
अगर आप यहाँ देखिएगा आमिर यामीन को, तो बिल्कुल पीछे की तरफ भागते हुए जा रहे थे। ये सही तरीका नहीं कहलाया जा सकता, लेकिन अपने असाब पे काबू रखा और दूसरे और तीसरे अटेम्प्ट में गेंद को काबू कर लिया। शामिल आउट हुए 18 रन बनाकर एलाइड बैंक स्टैलियंस 46 पर 1।
Lifted up into the hands, just trying to accelerate. Haris falling for the trap, and Khushdil has picked up his first wicket for the morning.
An important time for the Lions to get his wicket. Mohammad Haris will walk back, scoring 7 at 63 for 2.
Swept hard and into the gap. He has announced his arrival in the middle. Driven and driven beautifully. That's the boundary they were looking for. Oh, down the track. Undone by a brilliant delivery from Khushdil, turning, drifting in. Down the track comes Shoaib Malik. No worries for him. And a maximum effortlessly done. Up and over, but not really. Just lofted it and has given away his wicket. Shahid strikes straight away.
Got another one in this tournament. 34 from ours. It's 86 for 4.
और उसमें कम से कम ये 170 रन करना चाहेंगे। ये बॉल फ्लिक की है, टांगों पर थी और बड़ा सेफली इसको शोएब मलिक ने खेला है। 4 रन हासिल किए
और शानदार तरीके से खेला। इस बार दो फील्डर्स मौजूद थे शॉर्ट थर्ड पर, लेकिन दोनों को बाइसेक्ट किया हुसैन तलत ने। इसे पुल करने के लिए गए और ये शानदार छक्का। इस बार एंगल को भी काम में लाए हुसैन तलत।
यहाँ पर पार्टनरशिप की बात की, लेकिन इस पार्टनरशिप को तोड़ दिया मूसा खान ने। कवर पे कैच आउट हुए शोएब मलिक। जोर से हिट लगाना चाहते थे लेकिन इसको प्लेस नहीं कर पाए।
ख्याल बुरा नहीं था शोएब मलिक का, उनने बनाया 22, 128 पे 5।
Slow one again. Chance at the non-striker. Has he hit it? Yes, he has. Umpire is definitely going to have a look at it. He's going to refer it to the third. He looks disappointed. Hassan Nawaz with the direct hit. I think it's out. It's out. Bait took a little bit time to get off.
6 down now, Allied Bank Stallions on 134.
Bang! That's a biggie. That's into the stands. Who said Ubaid can't bat? I did. I take it back. That's a fantastic hit. Slower one. Oh, what a shot that is! What a swing of the bat! That's a huge hit. That's massive. Oh, that's out. Musa with the reaction. Shahid Aziz, the fielder. I think Ubaid has done well. He's played his role. He's not going anywhere. A few words from Musa.
Some entertainment being provided by Ubaid Shah. Gone on 17. Allied Bank Stallions 7 down on 155.
Slower one again, pulled. Hassan does well, just restricting them to one. Oh, Saint Talat, what are you doing? I think that's a run out on both ends. He's given it on one end, but he's going to check it on the striker's end also. Oh, that's very close. That's smart work from Ruhail Nazir though, but doesn't get any closer than this. I think it's Amir Khan out on both ends. After so much confusion, Amir Khan has been given out. In a way, it's good for him. Yorker, that's hit hard, really hard for 4, I guess. Up in the air, field up, makes no mistake, takes it.
Saint Talat with a good handy innings of 43 of 29 deliveries. Back in the hut now. Allied Bank Stallions 9 down on 166.
2 is the call. They should be able to get that. They have the opportunity to come back for 3. Usman Tariq is trying, but he's never going to reach that end. And that's a run out on the very last delivery.
Straight away worked off the pads, and easy couple. So off and running, Nurpur Lions.
Hey, then gone. This was a terrific catch from Haris. Once again, it was wide. It was there for the taking, but Imam just got an edge, and Haris has done the rest.
Not trying to time it, trying to hit it hard, has edged one, and he'll have to make a leave that is early. 4 he got, and it's 11 for 1. As this one is flicked confidently off the pads, and it gets closer to the boundary as the fielder gives it a try, but the ball would win. Oh, this is huge. It's big and out of the park. What a great hit.
This is not clean, but mid-off is inside the ring, and it will be a boundary.
इस तरीके से उन्होंने आखिरी ओवर खेला है और अब उनको रोकना मुश्किल हो गया. ये अपर कट किया 4 रन्स के लिए.
किनारा लगा और गेंद गई महफूज हाथों में. विकेट कीपर हारिस के उनका ये दूसरा कैच और दूसरी विकेट.
अभी लर्निंग फेज है, सीखना होगा और जल्द सीखना होगा शाहजेब को. यहां पे वापस गए 6 रन्स बनाकर 52 पर 2.
This one is short, nicely picked, beautifully split the gap. Hassan Nawaz. Yorker, it's gone in the air. Fielder is scurrying around and won't be able to get there. That is a smashing blow. That is enormous.
And again, but this time the connection isn't that clear, and the fielder will take it.
Taha gone for 21. Nurpur Lions 95 for 3.
इस बार स्लाइस होकर गई ये बल्ले से सीधी यहां पर आमिर खान के हाथों में.
क्योंकि बहुत एक्सपेक्टेड था इनसे, लेकिन पहले ही बॉल पे वापस जाना होगा. 96 पर 4.
और यहां पर हमलावर हुए और बड़ा शॉट खेला. बहुत बड़ा छक्का. ये
एक बार फिर बड़ा हिट खेले. ये बहुत ही बड़ा हिट है. ये जाएगा 6 रन्स के लिए.
फ्लाइटेड डिलीवरी थी और इस पर पिल पड़े और ये एक और बड़ा छक्का. और यहां पर स्टंप हो गए. दूर दूर गेंद की शुएब मलिक ने और उसका नतीजा ये विकेट हुई और अपने दाम में ले लिया.
काश ये फिनिश कर पाते. लेकिन काम अपना काफी हद तक कर गए हैं 121 पे 5.
And there it is, the big wicket, the next one. Just look at that. How much Shoaib Malik is happy about it.
Now Allied Bank Stallions probably on top of the game.
As this one is middled. And this will go and go big. It's a 6.
Goes across, follows it Shoaib Malik, but this time towards the offside will pick up another boundary, Rohail.
As this one goes for another boundary. Amir comes in.
Innovation. He plays this shot perfectly and effectively. Another boundary for Rohail. Wild swing, bottom hand coming into play. Mid-off is in the circle.
Yeah, it is pulled this time. And the fielder just couldn't see that. Well, Haris is pretty confident that he's got his man. And there's a question to be asked to Shahid Aziz that what are you looking to do?
It's this end we're talking about. He was out of the crease. And that is some smart work from Haris. Dragged his foot ever so slightly, Shahid Aziz. Late to put the bat in. Out it is. Shahid Aziz already back in the hut. 6 now needed from 9.
This has been swept in the gap. And this time will be a boundary.
Down on one knee quite early. Should be looking for the second one. And that should be it. Shehrun Siraj with the winning runs. Nurpur Lions have fought their way back into the game and have won it.